In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain to A2 hosting. If you're planning to move your domain from your current registrar to A2 hosting, the process is usually very straightforward, as long as you have one important item ready, your EPP or auth code. This code works like a transfer authorization key, and it helps confirm that you're the rightful owner of the domain and that you approve the move. Before you begin, make sure your domain is unlocked at your current registrar. Many domains are protected with a registrar lock to prevent unauthorized transfers, so this is an essential first step. Once the domain is unlocked, request or locate your EPP auth code from your current registrar's domain management area. Keep that code handy because you'll need it during the transfer process. Next, log into your A2 hosting client area. After signing in, head to the domain section and select Transfer Domains to Us. This is the area where you'll begin the actual transfer request. When you're on the transfer page, enter your domain name carefully. It's a good idea to double check the spelling, since even a small typo could delay the process or cause the transfer request to fail. After that, enter the EPP or auth code exactly as provided by your current registrar. These codes are often case sensitive, so be sure to paste or type it in accurately. Once both the domain name and authorization code are entered, continue to checkout. During checkout, review the details to make sure everything looks correct. Then complete the payment to submit the transfer request. This payment typically covers the domain transfer and may also include an extension of the domain registration period depending on the domain extension and transfer rules. After payment is completed, the transfer request is officially submitted. In many cases, you may receive confirmation emails related to the transfer. Be sure to keep an eye on your inbox and respond to any approval requests if needed, since some registrars require an additional confirmation step before the transfer can move forward. That's it. The key parts are unlocking the domain, getting the EPP auth code, logging into your A2 hosting client area, going to the transfer section, entering your domain details, and completing checkout and payment. If everything is entered correctly, your transfer